ready to unlock a goldmine of real estate deals. Let's dive into how to create targeted property lists with Propstream in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Propstream account and zero in on your target area. Using the map, you can type in a city, county, or even draw a custom boundary. Next, click on the filter button. This is where the magic happens. We'll use filters to narrow down our search to find our ideal properties. Let's start with property characteristics. Here you can filter by property type, like single-family homes, condos, or land. Select the type you are looking for. And then consider things like year built, square footage, and number of bedrooms, bathrooms to find properties that fit your investment strategy. Now, let's move on to ownership info. This is crucial for finding motivated sellers. Filter by ownership length to find properties that have been owned for a while. Then select MLS Status and select off-market to find properties not currently listed for sale. These off-market properties can be golden opportunities for a deal. Check the Liens section. You can target properties with existing liens, such as tax liens or mechanics liens, as these can signal potential distressed situations. Once you've applied your filters, Propstream will generate a list of properties that match your criteria. You can view these properties on the map or in a list format. To save your leads, click on the Add to List icon and create a new list, or add them to an existing one. Now you can export it or start your outreach. That's it. You've just created a targeted property list with Propstream. Now, go out there and find your next investment property. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. Property Data Real Estate Leads.